Welcome back to the Tableau connecting to data session. It's part of the Tableau beginner session and we are in the chapter 2. So in this chapter we'll briefly explain how to begin with Tableau, meaning you already got data in either Excel file or in cloud or in some other database. Now you need to connect to the data to start building your first dashboard and visualization. So in this lesson we will only explain you what Tableau can connect, how to connect, what is Tableau Intelligent Data Interpreter, what are the ways you can connect it, and some of the example of Tableau Cloud connectors. Now let's begin that. I have a sample data stored here in Excel. Okay, if I just drag the data into Tableau, it can automatically identifies the data types and everything. So I have just dragged the data here, so you can see that row ID is a integer, so it has already identified. Order date is a date type, ship date is a date type, so it actually identifies that. It even identifies what is geographical type and what is what, so it is a country, like that. And then these are the values. Okay, so it already identifies that it's a decimal number, etc. So my half of the job is done here if I have the data interpreted correct, right? So I can either connect to this data by live connection or I can do an extract. Okay, so I will show you that example with another file I have, that's little bigger file. So if you see the file, it's 32.8 MB file, it's a CSV file. If I just drag that and drop it onto Tableau, then it can read the entire data what is there in the CSV. Okay, and then if I say that let's extract the data. So what is the benefit of extracting is that when you extract, Tableau creates a file called TWE, Tableau data extract, where the entire data is stored in a vertical manner so that data access is very fast, and even if something happens in the source file, your extract remains. Now if in certain scenarios for some reason if you want to connect to live situations, and if any changes in the source data you want to reflect in the dashboard right away, so you should be stick to your live connection. But live connection is a slow connection because it depends on your source data volume, the connection type, network bandwidth, all these things. But in extract it will not depend on anything. Now if I just do an extract, and it has got close to 3 lakhs row, it will not take more than 2 minutes. So it has already extracted, as you can see, and the size of the extract is 3 MB. So 32 MB to 3 MB, it's like 10x reduction of the size, and you are done. So you can build your dashboard whatever you want to build. So I will not explain these things because I will explain these things in detail later. So you are ready actually. So now let's talk about some of the cloud connectors. So Tableau can connect to these many files. It can connect to Excel, it can connect to text file, Access, JSON, statistical, whatnot. And it has got further connectivity to workbook packages, etc. Even local cube files, even some of the SAS files also it can connect. Okay, and it has got connectivity to various servers, starting from, you can take all big names like Amazon, IBM, Google, Oracle, SAP, Teradata, everybody. It has got connect to Hadoops, everything. Now I'll show you one cloud connector which is these days are very popular, salesforce.com. So I already have created an account in salesforce.com. That's my account. Okay, and all I have to do now, Salesforce has asked for some security code. It has sent to my email. I need to copy that email and paste it here. So various cloud connectors comes with various features, functions, etc. So Salesforce authentication is made in that way. Now I am in. Let's drag account, maybe opportunity, or let's take only the opportunity one. Yeah. So it automatically identifies through which it has to build the join. So in certain database it will give you inner, outer, full outer, but in certain cases it won't give you right outer or full outer join. So please note that in case of cloud connectors, in certain cases you don't have option for the live connection. You have to connect Tableau to through extract mode. So extract connection is there. Let me extract the data. So I'm actually extracting the data from the Salesforce cloud data sources, and I'm just closing it. So let me take that. So I'm building a dashboard based on the data from Salesforce cloud. So that's a brief introduction of Tableau. Don't worry, we'll explain all these things in detail in later chapters.